Hey, welcome to this tutorial on the best AI tools in the world right now. Let's jump into the most powerful and useful AI tools that are completely changing how we work, create, and communicate in 2025. First up, AI writing tools. Number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Right now with GPT-4 Turbo, this is one of the most advanced AI models you can use. It writes emails, helps with coding, generates creative stories, answers questions, and can even brainstorm business ideas with you. Honestly, it's amazing for students, professionals, and creators alike. Number 2, Claude by Anthropic. Claude is great if you're working with long documents. It can read, summarize, and give you well-thought-out, detailed responses. If you're into deep research or working with a ton of text, Claude is definitely worth checking out. Number 3, Jasper AI. Now, Jasper is more focused on marketing. It helps you quickly create blog content, product descriptions, ads, and social media posts. It's fast, customizable, and very easy to use. Next, AI art and image tools. Number 1, Midjourney. This tool is a favorite for digital artists. You just type what you imagine, and it creates absolutely stunning artistic images. Perfect for concept art or visual storytelling. Number 2, DALL E3 by OpenAI. Built into ChatGPT, DALL-E lets you generate and edit images using just natural language. You can literally describe what you want, and it'll make it. Number 3, Leonardo.Ai. This one is amazing for game developers and designers. It creates high-quality characters, scenes, and more. Super useful for creative professionals. Now, let's move on to AI for video and voice. Number 1, Synthesia. You write a script, and Synthesia turns it into a video with a lifelike AI avatar. It's a great option if you don't want to be on camera but still want a professional result. Number 2, ElevenLabs. This voice AI is insane. It generates super realistic voices, and even lets you clone your own. Plus, it supports multiple languages. Number 3, Runway ML. Think of this as your personal AI video studio. It can remove backgrounds, track motion, and even generate video scenes using AI. Seriously powerful. Number 4, Pika. This one's new and exciting. It turns simple text into short animated clips. Perfect for ads, creative videos, or storytelling. Alright, let's talk AI for productivity. Number 1, Notion AI. If you use Notion, the AI features are next level. It can help you write notes, summarize documents, and plan tasks all in one place. Number 2, Microsoft Copilot. It's built right into apps like Word and Excel. You can ask it to draft documents, build presentations, or even analyze spreadsheets for you. Number 3, Google Gemini. Gemini is Google's new AI that works inside Gmail, Docs, and more. It helps you write faster, organize your ideas, and manage your digital life more easily. Bonus time. Here are a few more powerful tools you should know. Descript, a video and podcast editor that lets you edit by changing the transcript. Seriously, if you make content, this is a game changer. Replit Ghostwriter, an AI assistant for coding right inside your browser. Great for beginners and pros alike. Perplexity.ai. It's like an AI-powered search engine. It gives you direct answers with real sources, quick, clear, and super helpful. HeyGen, another awesome video tool. It turns your text into AI avatar videos for training, business, or social content. Conclusion: AI tools are moving fast, and these are some of the best you can use in 2025. They'll save you time, boost your creativity, and make your workflow way more efficient. Try them out and see what fits your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful.